Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I know that obviously I haven't posted a lot of content from the car. Not much has changed, as you can see here in the beautiful sunlight. It has been cleaned up, and I do have some things to talk about with this car, just because it did get its 30,000 mile service. I think at 29.9, something like that. But I decided to get the service done just because I was so close. But I'll show you the back of the car now. Obviously not much has changed there. All cleaned up, shining beautifully in the sunshine. I am gonna head inside though, just because it's a little windy out. So everybody, you know, I know I haven't posted on my car, and I haven't been in front of the camera lately. I've been doing a lot of Maserati stuff. I've just been working together with Maserati of Greenwich to do some videos for them. That's why the videos have been posted on my channel, not really for my audience, but really for them. I just wanted to post it on the channel in case anybody's interested in Maserati cars. I am a huge Maserati fan. But anyways, so let's talk about the 30,000 mile service for this car. We'll turn it on. So we'll have the ringing. 30,000 mile service. What did that consist of? Oil change. That consisted of, obviously they checked all the fluids under the hood, coolant, but I did have a very big problem with my brakes, which I'll get out and I'll show you right now. They did have to resurface the rotors. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. They have been resurfaced from I guess overheating. That's really what happened when I was pressing firmly on the brake pedal up front here, especially the front discs. There was a big shaking. There was a lot of shaking in the front with the wheels and the whole front of the car. So I did want to get that looked at. Very bright out right here, but that was a very expensive repair. So I do want to let all Camry owners know. I mean, it was covered under warranty, you know, 190 bucks for the repair, but it was covered under warranty, so I did not have to lay out that. But just something to be aware of. These discs are not fragile, but they're not meant to be kind of the speed racer type. You know, I definitely am hard on my brakes, and they were warped from overheating. So obviously I'm still within warranty, so it was covered. Surprisingly, I thought I was gonna have to pay 190 bucks for the discs to be resurfaced, but I actually was lucky. Everything's fixed now, everything's working well. Fresh oil change in the car. Fluid, they've topped off all the fluids, checked the air filters, everything. I have a K&N in there, as you guys know. Not much has changed, you know, with the front of the car. Everything's mostly the same. But I did want to update you guys. Short video, just to let you guys know about the brakes. 30,000 mile, I had to get them resurfaced. Not saying, smoothed over, whatever, resurfaced, whatever it's called. I did want to let you guys know, just because if you are hard on your brakes, you might have to do what I did with this. It is $190, at least here in New Jersey at my local Toyota dealership, to get these resurfaced, kind of smoothed over. I don't know if it was so much the back, but I'm pretty sure it was just the front discs that had to be resurfaced. Nothing with the brakes, but it was just so bad, especially when they were warped and you would press on the brakes. I mean, it was just the whole front of the car would shake. So that's mostly it. 30,000 mile update. Everything's good with the car. It's just, don't be as hard on your brakes as I was. You know, I would drive up really fast and I'd be really hard on my brakes, and it definitely overheated those front brake discs, and they were warped. So anyways, I do appreciate everybody hanging on with the channel. I may have some things coming with this car. I'm gonna step inside right now just because it's a little windy, a little bright. I appreciate everybody hanging on with the channel and you know, giving me continuous support as I go. I do not work for Maserati, and I don't work for any dealership. I just do these videos with partnerships from time to time. That's why you're seeing a lot of Maserati content on the channel. But anyways, little update, 30,000 miles. The car is on right now, I think 29,782. So, you know, we'll see what happens, but you know, so far this car's been bulletproof. I really don't want to do too much just because I love the way it looks. I mean, you know, I could mod the shit out of it, but I really don't want to. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next video.